Today we're going to make a graduation balloon stack. We're going to do a grad one because it is grad season right now, and let's get started. And as you blow them up to maybe like this cone shape here, and then as you put the top into the sizer, and then as you push down, you want to slowly release the air. And then once it goes all the way through, kind of a little bit of friction smoothly, then you want to do your next one. Okay. And then once you do have these sized, then you just want to do our cross method where we cross them. And then we kind of loop them around like you're tying a shoe, like you're tying your shoes. And then you make a knot. Next thing you're going to do is take your quads and you're going to create an X like this, and then you're going to twist them around. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I mean take your dupes, couplets, pairs, That's what I meant to say. You're making a quad. This is a quad. So a quad is just 4 balloons. Now normally they would be like this if they were going in a garland or an arch, but for columns or balloon stacks, you want to flatten them out like this onto a flat surface. So we got a lot of static going on right here. Oh. Then you're going to, so we're going to take our blue, the larger color, which we blew up to 8-inch, and we're going to put our 6-inch balloons, our reflex gold, right on top. Now you could use balloon string or fishing line, something like that, 260. I think it's less materials and it's a little bit faster to just tie the necks of the balloons. So in here, there's always going to be a couple loose necks. The necks are the end of the balloon where the air goes in. So I'm going to take one of those from this gold stack, and then take one from this blue stack, and I'm basically going to tie them together so that way the gold sits on top of the blue like this, like kind of like you know, alternating in between the little indentation right here. You're always going to want to weigh down your balloon stack. So this is just a balloon filled with a little bit of water. You can also use sand. You can also use maybe some gems, weighted, you know, the heavy gems if you have like a big balloon. This is just basically a balloon full of water. I recommend water if it's outside. If it's indoors, then I would recommend filling it with sand. And then you just want to create a little loop with a 260 and tie it off so that way you can actually attach it to one of your center balloons. So this is going to be the center balloon that I'm going to attach it to. Okay. And it's just going to basically add some weight in the middle. You can kind of stuff it in there. You can use a color that matches or not matches. It's going to be near the back. I kind of positioned it near the back, so it's going to be hidden behind our message anyway. But it does give it a little more weight, so it doesn't fly away.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to
black color, but yeah. So let me know what you guys think. This is actually my second time making the stack. So, but this time I put numbers on top. So just let me know what you guys think. If you want to see a different type of balloon stack, let me know, and with other methods, and I'll see you in the next one.